Land ho! Not that we're going on it, but land ho! That would be Cozumel. Today's Sunday. I don't know where anybody is right now. I think they all went to Cabanas. There was talk of bringing food back to the room, but I don't know what's going to go down with that anymore. It is 7:43.
We are hanging out today at the pool, the adult pool area.
It's that time.
And what do you need at the adult pool area?
Kid ice cream?
You need your husband to go get you some soft serve ice cream. Or take my husband on a cruise and he'll go get you soft serve ice cream.
So that's pretty much our day right now. We're up near Satellite Falls. We're not quite at it. But we wanted to sit out while we do time lapse over there looking at the pier, and you'll see that later somewhere on the video. And we got drinks being delivered. It's all good. I hope my dead cat thing is working. Oh yeah.
This is the drink of the day. What did he say it was?
The high tide, I want to say.
A high tide. We needed glasses because our old glasses broke, so we wanted 2 new glasses.
I like these glasses better.
I like these glasses a lot. We may need to get a couple more. So it was Malibu rum, and then he said the word amaretto, and then I stopped listening. It definitely tastes like coconut and heaven. And I think he just said the flower was edible, but I don't.
He said pineapple.
He said pineapple.
I thought he said it was a pineapple flower.
I don't know. I thought he said it was edible. It doesn't matter. I'm not eating a flower. I don't like them. They're kind of flavorless. They may not hurt you, but that doesn't mean you want to eat it.
Well, so what's the points on flowers? Really?
I don't know that Weight Watchers has figured out points for flowers. We'll have to ask at the next meeting.
All right, as told, pineapple is official cruise food for us, namely me. And just to be cheeky, I threw in some grapes because why not?
Hi, honey. What'd you come up with?
So I finally made it to the Visco Cafe because Jamie's already been.
No, I haven't.
Like,
Never been.
in life.
No, I haven't.
Well, you said you just did, and it wasn't recording, so I'm like, oh, well, here's a
No,
chance
I
to...
said I haven't either.
Oh? All right, well,
This
fine.
is an
Disney
Ethan-
first for both of us.
This is an Ethan exclusive. I didn't get anything.
I'm having a tiny little cupcake. Trying to pace myself until Palo.
What would our granddaughter call that?
Tup take.
A tup take.
That's assuming she's still doing that. Alright, Jamie's reading her book. Our cabin or stateroom's being cleaned. Jen and Brian are out at Cozumel. So it's time to do one of the things I've planned to do on this cruise for months. So here's the new thing I learned today on my cruise. If you actually go down there in the atrium and roll around on the carpet and run your fingers through the Palo, the carpet fibers, people freak out. So fine. Your mileage may vary on that stunt. Just so you know, I'm here to do it so you don't have to. Oh look, they're here too. Alright, here's my next adventure. This is the laundry bag. Here's us aft. And I get to go all the way to the other end. Hi, Robin and all the way to the other end of the ship to quickly run this load of wash because I'm running out of certain items of clothing.
Ooh, the room service tray got here, and Ethan is down throwing clothes in the laundry. I don't know where anybody else is at. I think they're up by Satellite Falls. So, we ordered the macaroni and cheese, which is supposed to be phenomenal, and the cake of the day. You ready for the surprise? I believe he said chocolate coconut. Look at that. That is definitely coconut. So we will see. It looks like it's all the way through. Oh my. Why are you out of focus? There you go.
Made it. Well, I guess I come back in an hour. Sheesh. Now I'm heading back to the room. Finally going on the starboard side for some different looks. See how people decorated their doors differently. Yep. Whole new world.
I don't want to burn my mouth. Oh my god.
Live up to the hype.
It totally lives up to the hype.
Yes, you have some opinions about the cake.
Yeah. Cancel Palo and order about 6 more of these. Oh my god. That whole bottom layer is coconut. Really dense, just packed coconut, probably with some kind of sugar in there. The chocolate part of the cake isn't cake, it's mousse. And there's raspberry. There's a layer of raspberry, a layer of beef, and then peas. And then some kind of crunchy thing at the bottom.
Custard.
No, there's no custard.
Custard, good. Alright, well, while we're waiting for dinner, it's time for some Cruise 101 by way of me, yours truly. Pirate ship, pilot ship.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Girls and boys, this is Captain Morris speaking for Bridge. And to all of that coming into your staterooms, however, some important information to share. We have to be closing.
I guess I can hear it better in here.
As you know, based on the forecast and projected path, we have extended this sailing and plan to return to Port Canaveral on Wednesday, September the 4th. However, after carefully reviewing and currently forecasted path,
He's reading the announcement.
Conversation with all port officials of Florida,
That's the
it
conversation.
does not seem likely that Port Canaveral will be available for our return on Wednesday.
I didn't even see that.
Because of this, we will need to further extend this sailing and now expect to return to Port Canaveral one day later, on Thursday, September the 5th.
Oh my God!
Guests
We have
with
been
Disney
taken
Cruise Line
hostage
air
by Disney
arrangements
Cruise Lines.
will have their revised airline flight schedule delivered to their staterooms.
That's not
Guests who have
possible.
made their own flight arrangements are encouraged to contact the airline carrier to reschedule their flights for Thursday after 11:30 a.m.
You gonna give us free Wi-Fi?
Many airlines are starting to waive their fees.
Many.
Please visit the guest service desk for assistance.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just.
We hope you understand that while we are always strive to deliver magical cruise vacations, nothing is more important to us than providing a safe experience to our guests and crew.
And our ship.
At this time, a stop at Castaway Key will not be possible as the storm has slowed while moving through the Bahamas. However, since we have additional time for this sailing, we have arranged a port of call for tomorrow in Grand Cayman. We will arrive in Grand Cayman at 11 a.m. and will be departing at 6 p.m.
Wow.
Our port division teams are now available to assist with booking activities in Grand Cayman.
Yeah, they have to get port adventures.
Due to the unpredicted nature of tropical storms and hurricanes, we will continue to monitor the storm closely and provide updates as needed. For now, please enjoy your time on board.
Okay, so in the meantime, we're untied.
We're untied?
There's the pilot ship.
No longer tied up.
There's the Aquafina.
Did you say
What
don't
you
care,
doing?
Jen's got this cool little curly thing, and I'm having a friggin' blast with it.
Hello, everybody.
Hello. I'm not wearing hollow though. I'm wearing red, black, and white. My hair is curly to start with, but
Okay, well, 6:12. 5:12.
I'm causing everybody to be late. We're fine.
Palo. View.
Hello, sir.
Brian.
Capital idea.
It's too light. It's capital idea. Really?
I smell it like when he was over there.
Our sparkling water, we have wide choice of bottles. Or Disney drink water is fine. Disney drink. I'll be right back with wine list. If you need my more wine list, let me.
They didn't. Probably this one. I mean, this is on Moscato.
No, I'm thinking there's some martini.
There's Mono. I don't remember what it was.
The glass of that is fine.
They're gonna keep eating nights of this cruise until we finish that wine.
I want some more of that blue bottle.
Do you have any questions about the menu?
Do I ever have to leave?
Apparently not.
They won't let me off the ship. Do I have to leave this room?
No worries, man.
You can sleep here. They're gonna leave, but you can stay. You might be locked in with no chef, so you're on your own.
We have lots of time, no worries. Is anyone in a hurry?
No,
There's no show tonight,
we
right?
have nowhere to go. We're just gonna stay in the ocean.
There's
Yeah,
no
they're
show
not-
tonight
yeah,
because
no.
it's a pirate show tonight, but pirate
Right.
show will start late.
Yeah.
That's fine.
And then after the fireworks.
You were right. There's no show tonight.
It's not
Yeah.
pirate now. No show in the Walt Disney Theater because tonight is a pirate night and it's gonna be pirate show on open deck. That's why no show
Yes.
tonight because
Perfect.
it's the same people.
Ah,
perform.
good point.
Ah.
Yes.
So all the dancers, they will be there. Okay.
I mean,
So, and I
they're not
have
real
here
pirates?
actually quite famous dishes for you. Prosciutto. Do you like prosciutto?
Oh,
Yes.
This is cured pork leg, air dried. We have bresaola, which is cured beef tenderloin, as well air dried. Do you like Parmesan cheese, ladies and gentlemen?
Oh, yes.
More than I can ever tell you. You like that
Okay,
stuff.
Parmesan cheese, famous cheese from Italy, Parma. We have artichokes,
Yes.
roasted and marinated bell peppers. Do you like olives, ladies and gentlemen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very
Less yeses than before.
Yeah.
then.
So don't go too crazy.
Okay.
Speak for yourself.
You didn't.
Hey, you
Say
don't.
yes.
I'm holding in
You know,
saliva.
you know,
at the moment.
yeah. Does
We have
everyone else?
olives of different kinds.
Normally, I eat the cheese.
Our
Ethan
olives
eats everything
marinated
else.
with the sun-dried tomatoes, rosemary, olive oil, garlic, onion, salt, and pepper. Okay, how it looks like? Looks great.
It might need more cheese.
More cheese.
I need more prosciutto.
Please.
As you wish. I'll put more cheese in every plate.
Okay, on this side.
Yes.
Good.
Now we have to pace ourselves.
Ladies and
We
gentlemen,
can
let
order
me,
everything off the menu.
ladies and gentlemen, let me offer for you antipasto, one of our Palo infused olive oil. We have chili, thyme, and rosemary. I recommend you rosemary.
I would agree.
I will drizzle a little of rosemary olive oil over your antipasto, except Parmesan cheese, because for Parmesan cheese, I want to offer for you balsamic vinegar from Modena.
Yes.
And this one absolutely special one. It's a 6 years aged in oak barrel, and with the Parmesan cheese, it's fantastic.
How thick it
I'm
is.
sure you tried it before, right?
Oh, yes.
We can just drink the
Drink bottle. Oh, yeah, exactly.
In Italy, they even use this balsamic with desserts, with ice
Yes.
cream.
Strawberries.
Strawberries.
Oh,
Wonderful with
Okay,
strawberries.
I'll put it on the different sides for you to share.
Look at that. Oh, it's delicious.
I want to get a little bit of the chili olive oil.
Absolutely, ma'am. On your side plate?
Sure.
Yes.
Rosemary is terrible. No, you don't like it. Yeah.
Love rosemary. I grow. Oh my god. I grow it.
Oh.
It's only just begun.
Oh yeah, it's gonna get worse.
I thought he was just bringing more water around. Ooh, ah.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Sir, any appetizers?
It's something we haven't seen in forever.
Would you like to try mozzarella cheese with tomato? Maybe arugula salad. Not so maybe arugula.
My cheese. My head may not be falling off, but my cheese is jumping ship. Cheese is jumping. Right off my plate.
Mix my alcohol.
I texted my boss.
Well, somebody's going to be poured into bed tonight.
I wouldn't be home, wouldn't be back to work this week, and he just.
Whatever.
Like this is fine.
But this is the new version of the mozzarella.
This sauce is coming with the calamari. Warm tomato marinara dip and aioli. Aioli is a mayonnaise, garlic, and a lemon juice. Do you need some additional plates for sharing?
Yes, please. So this is the calamari. And it the shrimp. I'm
Feel free.
so sorry. The shrimp and calamari. And then the aioli and the cactus sauce.
Parmesan cheese for agnolotti because it's a little bit sweet dish. It's already perfect itself, and we don't recommend Parmesan for pappardelle because it's a seafood dish. All seafood dishes with Parmesan cheese, if you put some Parmesan cheese, it will taste like Parmesan, nothing else. But with tomato sauce, Parmesan is exactly.
So this is the penne arrabbiata. This is a single pepper darling.
Pappardelle.
Pepper darling. I can't say it.
Pappardelle.
Anyway, but he was saying it's one single ribbon. So that's why he was having a freak out about how he's going to do
No,
it.
they're long, but they're not all by themselves. They're more
This is
Ravioli.
decorative ravioli. It's not actually meant to be eaten. And this is the squash.
Not for me.
We're not having our main courses yet.
More bones, please. Hi, Eva, be careful, they're really small.
We are awaiting the Dover soul. You are there live as he's getting it ready.
It's filet of fishing in it.
It's so wrong.
I know. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, I did it 2 times before.
Just a few?
Few thousand, maybe. Few hundreds.
So last time I had that, it took a lot longer.
Yeah.
A lot longer.
A lot.
He wasn't as experienced.
Okay, may I offer a little nut brown butter over your fish?
Oh yeah.
For a lot of nut brown butter over the fish.
Bring whatever left poured down my throat.
And right here in the center, I will put it for you.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bon appetit.
This is the
So this is lemon
intermezzo.
sorbet to refresh your palate before your next course.
You have to refresh your palate. And I just said that we do this at home with Ben and Jerry's.
Courses, but you have like 3 courses of the course. I decided to put it in the middle. Yeah. Both of them are wonderful and really, really mix it well with this.
No, well, yeah. All right, so there's two sauces that they offer with beefsteak. One is the gorgonzola cheese sauce, which is the only way to go. That's how God intended it. And then there's a red wine reduction.
Ossobuco, which I normally don't do.
Fresh pepper.
And then there's a red wine reduction.
I'm having the ossobuco, which I normally don't do, but so that'd be wacky since filet is the order of the day mostly, with the exception of Brian, who's having these something. No, thank you.
Yeah, portobello mushroom, spinach, and polenta. Not really. I still don't remember being there, but
Oh yeah.
I am the odd man out. I got the amaretto souffle. I love amaretto. Everybody else got chocolate.
Alright.
Yes.
That's how we do it. We pierce it just like that. Vanilla sauce goes inside of amaretto souffle. And it's coming with a white chocolate espresso gelato on the side. The old chocolate souffle coming with vanilla gelato on the side and vanilla and chocolate sauces together. We don't serve ma'am chocolate sauce with amaretto souffle because it will change taste of almonds.
I'm good with that.
It will totally change almond taste of amaretto souffle. Always yours.
Thank you.
Here's our after dinner drink.
Ladies and gentlemen,
oh, it's lovely.
everything was excellent.
Forgot to get this on the way in. We got bar food at the Skyline.
Would you stop?
No idea what this stuff is.
Soy mix or whatever.
There's something in here. There's something in here.
All right, these are here. Why don't you bring it closer so you can see it? These are pretzels. These are some kind of nut. And this looks like a mix of.
So it looks like trail mix or something.
No, it's
got like that soy. It's what they give you on the American Airlines.
Oh, it's got like chickpeas.
Oh, that was us.
Well, Brian finally read my text.
We have drinks.
Thank y'all.
We have the drinks.
We have Yo-yo! Yo-yo!
Yeah, you!
Yeah, you.
It's Sunday and the food
It's Sunday and the food is free. And the announcement was made. We have an extra day.
baby.
Life is great.
And
The
the food
drinks
is
are
free.
blue.
Oh, how the mighty have fallen. This used to be its own space on the ship, and it's been replaced by the Tiffany's store. So I was looking at the map thing, and it said that it was on deck too. Like, how? Because it's like those stairs and the elevators, and then Enchanted Garden. And then like back where these people are standing, there's some cabins, and then DVC offices. So this is it. This is it for the art. So they really downgraded that in a big way. Alright, so it wasn't caught on tape, and that's fine. I did 2 karaoke tunes before it turned into a total madhouse at Evolution. Jamie's already gone to bed because she's had it. I had 3 boozes, which is very unlike me, but I guess I was due. Dinner was fantastic at Palo. Believe it or not, I'm not like blasted or anything. It's just I had 3 boozes spread out over several hours. I normally have like, none or 1. So there's that. I'm on my way to bed. I have a feeling tomorrow is definitely going to be crash and burn city. We wanted to get off the ship at Cayman, but I just don't see that happening. We didn't see any excursions that really grabbed us for spending like money on it, so no. So night-night is what I'm saying. How about this?
No!